Alrighty, for this question, it's a 5-mark question to do with simple interest. So let's break this question down. We've got a simple interest investment account that pays 8% per annum. So that's the interest rate. And if you were to invest 1,200 initially, the question is 3 parts. So part A, we need to create a recurrence relation. So that's what we need to create. First, we know it's an arithmetic sequence. First thing that should pop out to your mind is there's a common difference. Common difference. So the other alternative was a geometric ratio where there's a common, a geometric sequence where there's a common ratio. Okay, so it's saying we need to create an arithmetic sequence. So first things first, we need to find out what this common difference is, and that is actually just the interest. So this interest here every year is going to be the same. Why? Because it's simple interest. And if we were to look at this visually, you'll have time, years, amount, and our graph is going to end up looking like that. It's a straight line graph. Compound interest is the one that is about geometric ratio application, and that one usually looks like that. Okay, so the common difference, which is our interest, so we know that is 0.08, so that's the 8% multiplied by 1200, which is 96. So that means that's 96 all the way through. I think it's a bit overkill with these units. We can just leave that as that. Maybe put the dollar sign there. Okay. So we've got that. So the next step is to actually write it. So Vn plus 1 equals Vn plus common difference D, and where V naught, our initial investment, is 1200. Okay, and with that you can fill up the rest of this table. So I'll give you a couple of examples. So the first year, that's when it's 1200, you'll add the interest. So Vn plus 1 is going to be 1296, and that is going to be invested in the next year. I'm going to earn that 8% interest, which is $96, and we just keep on going from there. Alright, so that's the table filled up, and I've put the units for all of them up there, and so we just now need to plot the graph. Okay, so again, our x-axis is always time. Okay, so time is always going to be on the x-axis, so the number of years, and we can call it value of investment. I hope you can write better than me. Then we can put I probably don't need to do this, you guys understand this. The main thing I want to say is access titles, and get a nice title page. You could just maybe we can call the title value of investment, because that other one doesn't sound good. Free marks. Okay, definitely get these. and just call this total amount, which is Vn plus 1. That looks a bit better. And you don't have to start at 0 again. We can start at 1,000 and go up in hundreds. So again, remember to plan. So go on 1,000. If I check there, that's 1,100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. That's good for me. And so on. And you know how to plot it. The first one is 1296. 1296, maybe about there. Okay, and then you should get a straight line. Alrighty, that's question 4.